Okay, guys, welcome back to putting together the Recollections Lexington 3-tier rolling cart. So far, to recap, you just hold these, and this is just without tools. You hold these two together. You put the first shelf on, then attach the B poles with the G screws screwed in. Then you put the shelf on top of the G screw, and that's what we have. Oh, and then you just screw the second set of the B poles in to the second shelf. Right now, we're on step 3, part 2 of putting it together. We're at step 3. So now they're saying put the shelf. How do you, oh, you put the shelf on top of the B poles, and then you take the F screws and you insert them in. So we're going to do that now. Where are my scissors? Just lay these down this time. Line them up. Screw it in. Now, if I would have known I wasn't going to use tools, I would have screwed some of these a little tighter. But here we are. It still seems sturdy. Just screw them in, guys. That's all. And this will go a lot faster for you because you won't be on camera and trying to make sure every frame is seen. Then all we're doing now is screwing the shelf, the last shelf, into the B pole with the G. No, this isn't G. This one is F. The F. So far, we didn't need to get Honey to do this. And we ain't had to bribe a girlfriend and treat them to lunch. Didn't have to or bribe your kids to do it. We could do this ourselves. This is pretty easy. Pretty easy. It's easy. Let me get over. That's the last screw. And guys, the shelf is put together. If you don't want it on canister rollers, it's done. Look. It's in there. It's done. Finished. Alright. Now this is where I may come into a problem because I may not have. Still again, this is with no tools, guys. We get ready to insert the canisters. Again, if you don't need them, but see, I do want to roll this, and you may want. That's the point, right? You want to roll it around. We're now, we finished step 1. Here's 2, 3. Now we're step 4. They're saying you need a wrench. I don't know where my wrench is right now, and I don't feel like asking anybody. Well, you get a wrench and screw them into the bottom. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't wait till I had help. We could do this ourselves. So I just turned it over. And just screw them in to the bottom here. Take the, oops. Did I do that? Okay, we're just gonna screw these in like we've been doing. So. Okay, it's not going down. It's easy. That don't look like that's going down in there. See if this one. Oh, is this where you need the... Doesn't make any sense. That makes sense after it goes in there. After it screws down to tighten it. But it's not even going down there. Let me see that one. We'll get to the end to not start working. It's not going all the way in. I'm taking this one out. See if I can put that in there again. Let me try another one. They give you a wrench. But it's not going in and flush. I see what the wrench is for, probably at the end to get it to tighten it, but it's not going in the holes very well. I'm pushing down. Oops. Now I know they don't mean for it to. You get to the end. It says fully tightened. And it should. You tighten it. What? Getting on my nerves, y'all, because it's not going into the hole. We were done. The thing is done. You don't tighten it before they go in there. 1 second. You don't tighten it before. That's dumb. You wouldn't tighten it before you put it on now. How come this isn't going all the way in there? We were done. This thing is done. Now I could go without the canisters, but that's not the point. See if this one would go. You would tighten it after you got it in there. Not before. Because it doesn't make it smaller. This is supposed to screw in all the way. Okay, guys. I'm going to cut it off, see if I can figure it out. It wasn't supposed to be a part 3. This thing was going along fine. And I'll come back once I can figure out these, because these are not, I'm sure that little wrench is for the end. Then you screw it to make sure it's tight. Because it's, okay, I'm going to come back for a part 3. Sorry, guys. All right, bye.